Hi. Getting a lot of positive feedback about Google Chrome Music Lab, the world's greatest music website. So I'm going to show you how to use it quick. Open up a tab. It works best on Google Chrome browser, but it works on everything else too. Click on SongMaker, or you can click the link from your music class. And what it does, it gives you a big grid system. So the bottom two rows are for drums, and the rest of them are color coded to match our boom whackers. All right. So if you want to build something, you don't really need to know too much, other than patterns are cool and music is made of patterns. So depending on who you are, you might want to make your song longer or shorter. We'll make a 2-bar song here. That's 8 beats long, 4 beats per bar. This says 4 beats in a bar, so we're going to count to 1, 2, 3, 4. You can change it to 2 or 3 or 7 if you're feeling weird. 4 is fine for me. We're going to cut them into tiri-tiris. So if it's cut into 2, a beat is cut into 2, it's an 8th note. If they're cut into 4, it's a 16th note. The scale, you can pick major. Pentatonic is basically foolproof. You can make any 2 notes sound together and it will sound pretty good. Chromatic gives you every possible key on a keyboard. So we'll just play with major. And you can decide how many different groups of notes there are. So if we start on the low C and we put 3 octaves, now I have 3 groups of C to C. So it'd be like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, 3 times, getting progressively higher in pitch. Hit OK, and then the new grid will match what you wrote. Okay, so I'm gonna write a drum beat. Messed that up. Did I? We'll find out. Oh, there we go. I did mess it up. So there's my drum beat. I punched it in. I just used the pattern, right? Ta, ta, re, ti, ti, ta, boom, cha, ba, boom, boom, cha. Okay, it doesn't have to be fancy. I just use the same pattern twice. And then I have all these notes I can punch in. Something like that. That'll be bass line. All right. You can change the sound down here. Let's go synth. That's pretty cool. And then up top, I'm going to write my melody. So something a little more fancy. So lots of patterns down low, recipe for success, and then up high you can get a little more creative. Let's see what that comes up with. Okay, so even though the top part is a little more random seeming, there are a couple patterns, right? So I have tiri-tiri rest, tiri-tiri rest, tiri-tiri rest, and then something fancy to end the sequence. You just gotta play with it. It's free. Watch. I erased it. Oh no, my life's over. It's fine. I can draw something new. All right, pretty cool. When you're done, you want to save it with someone. You can send it to your friends, your family, trade songs back and forth. you just go to the bottom right, click save, and it'll give you a special link just for you. So this is my song. Not even going to try to read that number. Click copy link, head over to Edsby, and then you just copy and paste. And it'll make a little link there. Okay. If it just says Songmaker song with no numbers at the end, you didn't save it properly, no big deal. Go back to the website and try and copy it again. Push share, and you're on your music making way. All right. I hope that's helpful. But with any toy, just play with it. It's cool. I like it. Have a good weekend.